profile of Fred Trump. And then I read Woody's book. I read Woody Allen's biography, which I loved.
These young fly.
Am Iron Man? Yes. Iron Man, the man of iron.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Comedian.
I was in New York. I was like 22 at the time. I was doing back home work. And I auditioned for the Chappelle Show. And I was on the first recording of the Chappelle episode.
Just, you know, like $1 million.
Okay.
Kim Kardashian. She just smells like
I really appreciate it. Have a great day.
Thanks for making me come. I mean, having me.
Yeah, not the first.
Get in your own way.
Louis, can you do a Mitzi impression?
You know, I'm a big guy. I like melon. I like, you know, orange melon, and I would take the.
Pete, I'll be honest with you, Doctor. Probably guys I shouldn't have. You know, you only had a minute.
I know, it's huge.
You should have made a joke. I said John Wayne.
1960 with Terror Serial Killer.
Jeff was so excited to talk to you. You know, you guys are old friends.
But in the kitchen, and I.
Perfect. Is when a certain.
It's my show.